Hi, my name is Vanessa Riley and I'm a preschool and primary teacher trainer and materials writer, and I can't wait for TESOL Spain 2025 in Burgos. Come along to my hands-on session encouraging kindness in the primary ELT classroom. Amelia Earhart said, "A single act of kindness throws out roots in all directions and the roots spring up and make new trees." Children can learn kindness through example, and SEL or social and emotional learning needs to be an important part of our primary teaching. I will share stories, songs, games, and other fun activities like Zumba to help us plant a forest of kindness in our primary English classes and in our schools. See you on Saturday, the 15th of March at 4 o'clock in Aula 12. See you then. Bye bye.